If you want to more delicious and easy and quick recipes, please kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friends. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Bye. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. My name is Yasmin and I'm going to show you guys how to make ginger chicken recipe. This recipe is very delicious, very easy and very yummy. This recipe is making in English and you guys want to watch this same recipe in the Urdu. Is link coming on that. Is my channel name is Cooking Heart Rich Food Recipes with Yasmin. This channel have two language videos. One is the Urdu, one is the English. If any recipe you like, this channel is Urdu. If you cannot find it in English, comment below. So I make for you guys easy in English. So this one is the English recipe, and other one is the same one is Urdu because this is requested. And I told you guys this recipe is not too much spices. Misalis inside if you're putting, you can skip the spices. So make easy for you guys if you don't like spices. So why I'm talking this, because in no Ramzan coming, this is Ramzan special recipes. So in Ramzan, so we have fast, so we need, we have fast, so we have to need to eat like not too much spices foods. So this is we not adding so much spices. This is very good recipe. So let's get starting. Before I'm going to show you guys recipes, please kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, my subscriber and my new subscriber join me. Thank you. So let's get started. And I told you guys, please this recipe watch step by step so you can make it easy. So I have the chicken is 2 pounds of chicken, whole chickens. So it's cubes like this, so like medium slices. So this is the 2 pounds. I'll clean this and put it back now. So I get this 1 teaspoon of is black pepper and the 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. We know money. Some people don't using the ginger paste of this one, the ginger chicken. But why marination? And some people know marination too. But we have to do put masala on it and put it back like 1-2 hours. It's good taste. So I have this paste of garlic, and some people skip that paste too because the ginger chicken. So I'm adding because more good taste. So it's a 1 teaspoon of that, and I adding is the 1/2 lemon is fresh lemon. So squeeze it inside. So after I'm done the lemon, I'll show you guys. I squeezed the lemon already, so mix it like this. So now I'm adding this chicken inside. So have you don't want to put like masala on it to put it back, this is good too because I'm putting this good taste, really good taste. So I mixed up very nicely, quickly, and put in the fridge in 1 hour. Even if you want to make in the morning, you can put the night masala and just morning is just making this. It's really good taste. So I just put in 1 hour. After 1 hour, I show you guys. So what is the next steps? So trust me, guys, this recipe is so delicious. So I'm done with this. Then I'll show you guys after 1 hour. Just put it back like this in top, and not fridge. Just keep like this. If you want to put like more time, so how much time you will get it, it's more tasty. So after 1 hour, I'll show you guys. So after 1 hour it's done now. So what we do next steps? Next steps, I need 1 karahi. You can say the fry pan, any pot which when you're using for your food, so you can get it. And I'm adding 1 cup of oil, any brand which one you like it you're using. So I just open the gas right now, and I'm adding is this is, you guys see the ginger. I cut ginger, then like 1 inch I get it, and I adding in the half ginger because the ginger chicken is, you know, the ginger is good for your health too. All the people using, and 1 jalapeno. So I tell you guys, if you don't like spices, you can skip the spices and just adding like black pepper. So it's good for too. So after I'm using in the 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seed. Why I'm using 1/2 teaspoon, I'll tell you guys in the next steps. So let's wash it. So I show you guys everything step by step. So after 1 minute I show you guys this because I need 1 minute for cook this. And I tell you guys I'm just using half. Why I'm using half, why I'm taking half this video, I show you guys next step. So After 1 minute I'll show you guys. This one we have to cook 1 minute. 1 minute is done. So now I'm adding the chicken. Which one is marinated? Very carefully, okay. So we have to cook the chicken is slow to medium gas, 10 to 15 minutes. Not too high gas, not too slow. So after 10 to 15 minutes I'll show you guys. So let's see after 10 to 15 minutes. I told you guys how much time I'm putting this chicken over here, and I'm not put on the top. I just do like this, 10 to 15 minutes, medium to slow gas. After I'm show you guys 10 to 15 minutes, it means what is next step. Okay, this is after 5 minutes. This is like this. Why I'm show you guys, because I'm making the masala of this one, mixed masala. So I'm gonna show you guys how making that one. So I get this masala for the, you see this is a dry coriander seeds in 1 teaspoon and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Remember I should tell you guys half teaspoon I'm putting over there, and half teaspoon of this. I have the other one too, but I like to use the fresh one. And this is the fringe leaf and dry methi in our language. If you does not understand, it's on ingredient is name, you can see there. So and the 2 dry chilies. So I mix it together and making this powder. This is masala. It's so good taste if you can do this one. So I make the masala this one. So I'm show you guys when I'm adding this one. It's a 3 is 1 2 3 4 ingredients. So after 10 minutes I'll show you guys. After 15 minutes is a chicken water coming out. I dry the same water. I'm not adding water, just chicken water. So you guys look this, the blood coming out. So I have you guys just making like this in 10 to 15 minutes. So this one is coming, look, it's coming out, it's cooked, all is cooked, just only one left it. So now I'm adding the spices right now. So first I show you guys, this is I have spices. This is masala, I show you guys, this is the 4 ingredients for coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and 2 dry chilies, and 1 that I show you guys in the finger leaf. This is our dry methi, our language say, you can see the ingredients. So if you don't want more spices, you cannot add this one, because we are like spices to the same adding. Half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of is salt, is spices, salt, and this is spices is red chili powder. This is on your taste. This is how much you like taste you can add it. And the half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'm adding the half teaspoon on the in chicken and half teaspoon right now. So this masala I'm adding right now. You can see this one right now in here. We are mixed together, and 2 minutes after I'm adding the tomato, I'll show you guys. So we cook masala with like this. So after show you like 1 minute. You can see this is after 1 minute masala is cooked like this. So oil coming out, the water dry. So now I'm adding the tomato. I cut this slices in the 4 medium tomato. So I'm adding right now. So I tell you guys this situation, I'm not adding the water in the chicken, because it's 15 minutes already done with the chicken water coming out. It's dry in the same chicken water. I'm not adding the water. So right now is I'm choosing the tomato water coming out. So tomato juicy. So I put the slow gas. So I'm adding the close the top. And I tell you guys, I'm not close the top before. Is all time, just right now it's 10 to 15 minutes. Again I told you guys to cover up right now like this, and every 5 minutes I'm take out the top in the mixer with the spoon, this one, and then again I'll cover up. After 5 minutes 15 minutes I show you guys how I look like right now like this. So too slow gas, not too high, not too slow. So because have you, I don't know which your places has chicken is need water for it. If it's not tenderized, not cooked, so you can add like half cup of water. So this is optional, but I'm not adding. I just put a tomato inside. So after 15 minutes I'll show you guys. After 15 minutes, and I'm telling you guys, remember after 5 minutes, every 5 minutes you have to check it out. So always look like that. I'm not putting water inside, nothing, just put a tomato, you guys see. So on this situation you can add inside just check the spices. Everyone is adding this, you see spices not good enough, you can put in the black pepper inside, you can put in the jalapeno inside, and it's a salt to taste. You can put adding in salt inside. So now I'll see that is 15 minutes before and 15 minutes right now, 30 minutes. Chicken almost is 95% is cooked, just 5% left. So I tell you guys, I have this as a member. I squeeze the lemon, half lemon, and I take it this one, 2 cubes. I'm putting inside. This is the yummy taste. If it's not, it's optional. I like the taste. That's why I'm putting inside. You guys don't like it, do not put inside, but it's yummy taste. So now I'm adding is the mint, some mint leaves. I don't have coriander leaf. If you have fresh coriander, you guys you can add that. So right now I'm cooking it like tenderize like 10 to no in 5 minutes, just 5 minutes more. I'm not cover up. So after 5 minutes I'll show you guys. It looks delicious. You can eat with chapati and rice and with the salad. This is so good and delicious. Aroma comes so good. So after 5 minutes I'm showing you guys. I'm not cover up right now because it's already is cooked 95%. Look that I'm just a little bit press it down. Look that. Look. So just 15 minutes, 5 minutes because it's I think more tenderized for me. It's good yummy masala. So after 5 minutes, I'm showing you guys. After 5 minutes, its chicken is perfect cooked right now. So look at that. So yummy taste and look delicious masala is you can see the oil coming up. It means it's perfect right now. It's done. 100% cooked chicken is just for 35 minutes and chicken is done. So now I'm adding is some junior cut ginger like this, sprinkle on it, and one is jalapeno. So for look it's delicious. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, please kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and share it with your family friend. And this is video you wanted this recipe in your YouTube is coming link on it. So keep watching for next video. Please sharing with your family friends and please press the red button and the bell icon share. So bell icon you press it. So when I'm putting the videos, in notification is come and video you can find it automatically. You cannot search. So let's see the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy this recipe.